Okay, this is the video to show to the riders how to change the charger port. So first you need to unlock the 12 screws on the deck. The grip tape looks different, but the position of the 12 screws basically are the same. So you just have to lose these 12 screws first, and then you can remove the deck. And you don't have to remove all the grip tape, just the corner of it expose the screw. And then you can remove it, and after you get this drop down, you can still paste it back. Okay, now we have loosened the 12 screws, so you need to first remove the deck away from the board, like this. Okay, then this is the inside. This is the inside of Endeavor3 S, but please don't worry, they're basically the same to change the charger port. So this is outside of the charger port, and this is the rubber. And if you want to change this one to a new one, you have to do it from the inside. That's also the reason we need to remove the deck first. Okay, after we doing this, the first step you need to do, please pay attention, this step is very important. The first step you need to do is to disconnect the battery and the controller. I have to say this again. This is very important, and it has to be the first step. So this is the first step. And the second step is that you need to disconnect the charger port and the battery. Here, I already did this, like this. So basically you have to keep the charger port isolate, so you don't have to worry about damage the battery or the controller when you change this little thing. So, okay, now let's see the inside. We have a lock nut like this, and all you need to do is to find a tool, loosen this metal ring. This one is very easy, and then you can remove the whole charger port, because the other side of this one is under this small screw, so you have to move it first, and then you can remove the whole thing and install the new one. Then the whole process is complete, and then at last you can make this nut back. Okay, so after you're doing this, the first thing you need to do is to reconnect the charger port and the battery, and then reconnect the battery and the controller here. Okay, then you can put the deck back on the board and tighten the screws, and then you can test if the whole thing is completely done and if you are successful. Okay, that's all.